Hello guys, welcome back once again in Study Tree. As we are seeing that climate is changing day by day, well guys, so please stay at home, be safe and carry on studying. Well guys, hope that you all must be watching the video of Bloomfield International School without skipping. I request you all, before starting the lesson of exercise 7, I would like to please press the bell icon over here and subscribe the channel. Thank you very much guys. Now in our previous class we had studied about the verb. We had completed all the parts of speech guys. How many parts of speech are there? Can anyone say? Yes. Noun, pronoun, adjective, verb, adverb, preposition, conjunction, interjection and interjection. There are 8 parts of speech, and in our previous class even we had completed the definition of all the parts of speech, the right uses of parts of speech. In this chapter of exercise 7, we are going to study about the action words or verbs. We are talking about the verbs. This chapter is very important guys. So I request you all to please concentrate and sit down. Just give some time to watch the full video without skipping. Well guys, in the last of the video, in the end of the video, I am going to give you some homework. Just I request you to please download the PDF. All the pages has been scanned for you guys. If you have book or no problem at all, because we, the teacher of Bloomfield International School, the family of Bloomfield International School, is always standing with you for your studies. So I request you all, not only for English grammar or Hindi or mathematics, but all the subjects, for all the subjects of Bloomfield International School, just carry on watching the full video without skipping. We all are facing problem guys, but for your study, we are always with you. Well guys, come, let's start our exercise. What we are going to learn today? We are going to learn about the verbs, the right uses of verbs, the sentences, the structure of verbs. Okay, what is an action verb? What is an action verb guys? What is a verb? A verb is a doing word, or a verb is a action words. What are you doing at present? You are watching video. What are you doing? You are watching. Okay, the work of watching is being done by you at present. What am I doing? I am teaching. So the work of teaching is being done by me. So for example, as for definition, in a very simple language I am taking you guys, I am trying my level best to take you all in a very simple way, so that it will be more easier for you, and I am going to make your class, your video very simple. Well guys, but I request you to please guys, watch the video, concentrate and sit down and watch the full video without skipping. Well, come, let's go through some few examples, okay, of exercise 7. If you have book, just open on exercise 7. Action words are verbs. Come, let's go through some examples guys, okay. Notice how the action words add meaning to them. Okay, I drink milk every day. I drink milk every day. I play football with my friends. I eat eggs every day. Film stars act in movies. Okay, so where are the action words? Can anyone say? In the first example, I drink milk every day. When do you drink milk? Every day. What do you drink? Milk. Okay, so where is the action word here? The action word is drink here. I drink milk every day. Second example is here. I play football with my friends. I play. What is the action? play. The work of play is being done by you with your friends. Okay, I eat eggs every day. What do? I eat. That means eat. Eat is my action word here. Next example is film stars act in movies. Film stars act in movies. Film stars act. The work of act is my action word. So these are few examples of action words. Come, let's go through some few more examples. Okay, see how the action words tells us about animal sound. See how the action word tell about the animal sound. Okay, for example, dogs bark, dogs bark, ducks quack, ducks quack, cats mews, lions roar. Okay, so dogs bark, ducks quack, cats mews, lions roar. So these are the examples of some more examples of action words of animals sound. For some animals sound. Well guys, these are few examples of action words. So come, let us discuss about more action words. Well guys, come, let's get started. Well guys, now come, here I have mentioned the definition of the verb or action words. Okay, words that tell us what someone or something does are called verbs. Once again guys, okay, words that tell us what someone or something does are called verbs. They are also known as action words or doing words. They are also known as action words or doing words. Guys, I request you all to please mention all these in the fair copy. In the previous video even I had requested you to please guys just note it down all in the fair copy. Okay, and try your level best to mention your date over here, right up here in the copy. Okay, now I have given you a few more examples guys. I see a movie when I take a bath. It comes down. Okay, we wash the pipe together. When it rains, the battle goes up the pipe. I call the battle. We play together. Okay. On page number 51, write all the action words you have circled. On page number 51, there is a question there. Here, according to this examples, you have to complete this. The question is that write all the action words you have circled. Now come, let us circle all the verbs, all the action words in the examples. Okay, I see a movie. Where is the action word? See. See is my action word. Okay, when I take a bath, it comes down. Here are two verbs here. Okay, first is take a bath, and second is comes down. That means comes. Okay, second, next example, we wash the pipe together. Wash is my action words here. Go to the D. When it rains. When it rains. Okay, rains is my action word here. The battle goes up, the pipe goes. Okay, goes up also is my action word here. I call the battle. Call is my action words here. Okay, we play together. Play is my action word here. Okay, so these are my action words, and the question has been given here. Write all the action words you have circled. Come, let us mention it here. First is she, SEE. Okay, go to the next one. Take and comes. Take and the third one is comes. Okay, COMES, comes. Go to the first question. Wash. Wash is my action word here. All the action words mentioned it here on page number 51. Okay, go to the rains and goes. Rains, RAINS. Rains and goes is my action word here. Well guys, now go to the second last one. What is the number? Sixth. Seventh is play. Call. C-A-L-L. Call. And the last one, the eighth one is play. Okay. These all are my action words. She, take, comes, wash, rains, goes, call and play. These all are action words. Okay guys, once again I am repeating from here. Words that tell us what someone or something does are called verbs. Okay, just note it down guys, all this. They are also known as action words or doing words. Well guys, now come to the page number 51. Well guys, on page number 52. Page number 52. Okay, the question has been given here. Fill in the blanks with the correct form of the verbs. Fill in the blanks with the correct form of the verbs. How many forms are there guys? There are, I have taught you in your previous class. I have taught you. How many forms of verbs are there? There are 5 forms of verb. Verb 1, verb 2, verb 3, verb 4, verb 5. For example, eat, ate, eaten, eating, eats, drink, drank, drunk, drinking, drinks, help, helped, help, helping, helps, write, wrote, written, writing, writes, go, went, gone, going, goes. Okay, how to use the verb form? How to use the verb form in the right form of the verbs? Okay, in the tense, I have made you understand in the previous class. But how many subjects are there? Before starting guys, there are 8 subjects. Always remember it guys. Okay, I am giving you this best trick. Just note it down and concentrate and watch the video. Okay, there are 8 subjects. Okay, for example, I, you, we, they. Okay, we use verb 1. What do we use? Verb 1. Okay, and for he, she, it, and for name, anyone's name. For example, Ram, Mohan, Sita, mother, father, friend. These in the form of name. Okay, we use verb 5. Okay, remember guys. For example, I am mentioning it here. This I have mentioned here for you. Okay, this I have mentioned for you here. And one thing more, one example I would like to give you. Verb 1, verb 2, verb 3, verb 4 and verb 5. Okay, for example I am mentioning it here. Eat, ate, eaten. Okay, eating, E-A-T-I-N-G, eating, and eats, E-A-T-S. Now come. For I, you, we, they, we use verb 1. What do we use? We use verb 1 for all these subjects. Okay? And for he, she, it, name, we use verb 5. That means for this form, for verb 5, what do we use? We use this subject we use. Okay? Always remember guys. For I, you, we, they, we use verb 1. And for he, she, it, name, we use verb 5. Easy guys? Now come. Let us go through this passage. Okay. We dash live in large city. For example, we dash live in we. We is used always for verb 1. Well guys, so live is written here and lives is written here. So verb 1. We here is mentioned now. We is used for verb 1. Okay, so verb 1 here, close your eyes and mention it here. We live. We live in a large city. Easy guys? Now come. My mother is standing just in the form of the name. Name means verb 5. Will go according to the verb 5. I have mentioned you here guys. Okay, my mother, verb or works. Works is my verb 5. So close your eyes and just mention it here, works. My mother works. Okay, in a bank. She also looks after. Now carry on going. She also looks after the house. My father works and work. My father is the form of the name. My father works. W-O-R-K-S. My father works in an office. He love or loves. He is my here. So he will go according to the verb 5. He loves. Okay? He loves. Well guys, he loves to cook. Sometimes they cook or cooks. They cook. See here, they is used with verb 1. They cook. They cook a nice meal together. We spend or spends. We is here. Verb 1. We spend. We spend. Okay? Our holidays in a hill station. We all love. Okay? We all love mountains and trees. My best friend, right or writes? My friend is in my name. Okay? So verb 5. See here, verb 5. Okay? My best friend writes. WRITES. Writes to me when I am away. Okay? So your passage has been completed. Come, we live in a large city. My mother works in a bank. She also looks after the house. My father works in an office. He loves to cook. Sometimes they cook a nice meal together. We spend our holidays in hill stations. We all love mountains and trees. Okay, my best friend writes to me when I am away. Okay, now guys, this is the passage given here. Go through the passage. Now come, let's go to the next page. Well guys, come on, page number 53. Okay, page number 53. On page number 53, correct the mistakes. Mistakes has been given here in the question. We have to correct it. Okay, correct the mistakes in the box in the given sentences. Okay, come. I jumps. I made you understand. Okay, I had made you understand. For I, you, we, and for they. We use verb 1. Okay, what do we use? We use verb 1. And for he, she, for it, and for name. And for name, what do we use? Verb 5. Okay, it is very easy guys. Okay, I jump. See here, I, verb 1 has been used here. And here it has been used verb 5. So I jump. J-U-M-P. I jump. Shout. S-H-O-U-T. Shout and laugh. L-A-U-G-H. Okay. See, I jump, shout and laugh. Then I jumps is mentioned here. I. For I, verb 1 is used. For I, verb 1 is used. Okay. Then I jump. J-U-M-P. Jump some more. Some more. Okay. Go to the next question. My friend read. My friend is here. Name. Okay. And for name, what do we use? Verb 5. Okay. My friend reads. R-E-A-D-S. Reads. Okay. He sleeps. See here. He is used with verb 5. Okay. He. What will be the verb 5 of sleep? Sleep, slept, slept, sleeping, sleeps. Okay. He sleeps. He sleeps some more. Some more. Well guys, go to the next one. He get up is mentioned here. He get up. Get up is my verb here. Okay. So he is here. So he, verb 5, gets up. He gets up. Gets up. For a while. For a while. W-H-I-L-E. While. He gets up for a while. Well guys, so all your chapter has been completed. Hope that you understood and learned something. If any doubt, if you are facing any problem, just go to the comment box and just mention your problem. We the family, we the teacher of Bloomfield International School, always remember that we are standing beside you with your studies. Okay? Now it's time to subscribe the channel. Once again, press the bell icon over here. Once again, and share my channel, like my channel. Okay guys, and please guys, after completing the video, just go to the comment box and mention your name. It is mandatory to mention your name guys. Okay, how you mention your name there, your attendance automatically is done up here. So guys, I request you all to please mention your name. Don't forget to mention your name in the comment box. Thank you once again for watching my video, and carry on watching my video guys. And just note it down all in the fair copy. Always remember that nothing is spiritual than education. Carry on studying guys, and have a good day. Thank you very much.